What is an NFT? One of the symbols of 2021 can be considered the NFT technology, which made a real revolution in the world of digital art and GameFi. Digital art pictures, small pixel drawings, and even tweets of Elon Musk are sold for millions of dollars thanks to NFT. And what is this technology, and is it really so important? Perhaps this is just a hype thanks to which some easily earn a fortune. Write in the comments what you think about this. What is NFT? Abbreviation NFT stands for non-fungible token. Let's remember what a token is. Tokens are the internal money of cryptocurrency projects. However, unlike cryptocurrencies themselves, tokens do not have their own blockchain, but are created on the basis of an existing one. For example, Ethereum is its own cryptocurrency in the Ethereum blockchain, but the most popular stablecoin USDT currencies Link Project Chainlink and MKR Project Maker are tokens on the blockchain, all of the same Ethereum. Another important difference between tokens and cryptocurrencies is that they can be used as shares, certificates, and similar instruments. In simple terms, in the world of the blockchain industry, cryptocurrency is cash and a token is a subway ticket, cinema ticket, or bonus point of a supermarket chain. You can use them in the subway of a particular city in a certain cinema or supermarket chain. With money, you can buy all of the above, but you will not be able to pay in the subway with points from the supermarket. So, the usual tokens of crypto projects are interchangeable, which means that one metro ticket is indistinguishable from another. Anyone can use it to travel in underground transport. A non-fungible token or NFT can be compared with a plane ticket, which can only be taken by the one whose data is indicated in a ticket. Already here, one ticket cannot replace another, although both of them give the right to fly. Why do we need NFT? The main problem hindering the development of digital art is the accurate identification of the original work. In the ordinary world, copies of paintings by famous artists can be easily identified by experts, but in the digital it is almost impossible to do this. The fact is that the semantic part of the name, size, and other attributes of the file can be easily faked, and this can be done in a few minutes. As a collector, it makes no sense to pay large sums for digital art objects because the uniqueness of their appearance gives them special value, and NFT was finally able to solve this problem. NFT tokens work on the blockchain, which means that the information entered into it will no longer be able to change or forge. A single token certifies the right of its owners for which it is tied to the word. Today you can digitize almost everything from real estate to the service sector. Another important application of NFT found in the GameFi industry of computer games is where users can earn real money in the process of gaming. Due to the fact that any item can be tied now to an NFT, the owner of things on his account can only be called their real owner and dispose of them at their own discretion.